In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the auto linking feature, which can be accessed here on the sidebar. What this does is it will automatically link anytime you mention a specific keyword to whatever target URL you input. So all that you do is input your keyword. So here I have an article on keyword research that I'd like to link to. So here's the article that I've written. I'm going to just paste in the URL. Now there are a couple of settings. You can decide whether or not you want to add the link if the post already has a link. I don't want to do that, so I'm going to leave that box unchecked. I'm also going to leave the box checked that says only link once per post. So if keyword research were mentioned 5 times in one particular article, I only want it to link once in that article to this target URL. So all you do is click add keyword once you've got the settings that you want. It will go out and automatically add that everywhere on your site where you've mentioned that particular keyword, which is keyword research in my case. Now, just after about a minute, Link Whisperer has added 108 internal links, all pointing to this URL with the exact anchor text of keyword research. And if I want to see these, I can quickly scroll down and see the pages where those links were added. You can go in and edit those, view those. If you change your mind that you want different settings, you can do that after the fact and then click Save to update your additional settings. Or if you change your mind that, hey, I didn't want this, you can always delete that, and that will remove all 108 internal links. Overall, the auto linking feature is very powerful and gives you the ability to add a ton of internal links really, really fast.